Welcome to my channel The Last Battle. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. China will cease using the Russian engine currently fitted on China's new generation J-20 stealth fighter jet, replacing it with an upgraded homegrown engine. A military insider told the South China Morning Post Chinese aircraft engineers found their domestically built W-10C, the modified version of the W-10 engine, to be as good as the Russian AL-31F engines. It's impossible for China to rely on the Russian engine, because Russia asked China to purchase more Su-35 fighter jets in exchange for the AL-31F engine deals, the insider, who requested anonymity, said. The key problem is, except for its longer combat range advantage, the radar, navigation system and other electronic components on the Su-35s are inferior to Chinese aircraft like the J-16 strike fighter. China was the first overseas customer to buy Su-35 aircraft. The PLA spent $2.5 billion buying 24 Sukhoi Su-35 heavyweight single-seat multi-role fighters, receiving the final shipment in late 2018.